sis, we about to shut it down with the wig. Hey yo, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tei Jae. It's your girl Tei Jae. I am freaking obsessed. Like, sis, we about to shut it down with the wig. That's just down that. We just gonna get to the video, okay? Y'all, I'm so motherfucking nervous because number one, she's giving us 613-ish, okay? She's giving us that platinum blonde, and me in color, we have a love-hate relationship. Like, y'all just sis, I don't know what to tell you, but one thing I am grateful for is the roots of dark. So let's just put it on because y'all know I could do a little talking. Okay, it's not bad at all. I thought it was gonna be worse. I'm super glad there's more black roots than what I thought. My little panic attack, y'all know I'm very much dramatic, so it's not bad. She gives, okay, she gives. I really thought she was gonna be ugly. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was not about to be able to pull this off. You can't tell me nothing. Hey, with the hairline, I love to leave them pretty much natural because I want y'all to, especially like beginners, I want y'all to see that you still can, you know, finesse it and make it work without doing like plucking and stuff. I do want to. Okay, y'all, so I do have my Kiss hot comb here, and we're just gonna go ahead and hot comb the hairline. This is a side part only, so don't think that you're about to be moving this part around because you're not. So I put it on like 270, 290. And like I said, it doesn't change the texture of the hair because, like I said, I don't feel like it gets that hot on the lowest heating setting. So that's why I feel like this is the perfect hot comb for synthetic units. And like I said, I don't use like wax products or stuff because it just makes the hair look greasy and weighed down. And it's just not a vibe for synthetic units because y'all know synthetic units already look, they already look a little shiny. Y'all got scissors for cutting my hair and I just hate looking for them. So I just grab, oh, here are my scissors. See, all I gotta do is take my time, y'all, take my time. One more look, last look at the hairline. I want y'all to see what she's giving. Like I said, I like to use the scissors for synthetic lace because the lace is not the same material as virgin hair. So now I'm going in with my Wonder Lace Bonnet Spray. This is by Ebin, New York. Y'all know this is my baby. She is running low. I will have to go restock. This is my girl. Y'all know I use this every single video. I'm going to go ahead and take this and spray 1 to 2 to 3 layers in the first section. And I do spray on my hairline and drag the product a little bit below, because I like to sit my wigs a little bit further down on my forehead so it's not directly, you know, on my hairline. So once I put how much I need in that area, and I usually do this section first and then I do this section and this section. I do the sides last. So I do basically 3 parts. So I'm going to take some cold air from my Hot Tools blow dryer, which is extremely dirty and disgusting. I actually need to take time to wipe her off, but that's neither here or there. And we're going to put this on a cool heating setting and we're going to let her, what we're gonna let her do? We're gonna let her dry. Okay, so it's already tacky, so I'm just gonna pull her on down. So now I'm just gonna take the back of my comb and we're just gonna press it down into my forehead. That way the lace can lay super duper flat. If not, it will just flop. All right, so now I'm gonna take some of my tinting spray again, and I'm gonna take a little brush and I'm gonna spray some on the brush. There, like that. And then I'm just gonna pretty much outline this. So I'm gonna put my elastic band on, and I'm gonna just chill for a couple of minutes. And like, I put it super duper tight. So I've taken off my elastic band, and this is what the hairline looks like. And it's, like I said, it's not too bad because you're not really going to be seeing it because the way the hair is pretty much going to lay. So I am going to clean up this part a little bit. So this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna take this little brush I dug up out of my bag, and we're gonna define that part. Ooh, I should curve it over some more though. But yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of this maple Born This Way multi-hue sculpting concealer and put it on the lace. Y'all see how clean that part look? That look good. I'm just gonna flatten this part out back here. It's always one part of the wig that won't sit up in the air. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this because, like I said, I'm just gonna do a baby hair right here up in this section. So I'm just taking the scissors and I'm gonna cut at an angle. And boom. I'm gonna take edge brush and I'm gonna take a little bit of it, got to be gel glue, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of it on the actual hair strands, okay? Just like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna take this and just swoop it and just swoop. But I like to push it down and out. Down, swoop like this. But it's gonna take some time, y'all. So just swoop it until you get it. And I like to, you know, make sure I'm pushing it back into the hairline. Alright guys, so this is pretty much the end of the video. I had to maneuver it and just, you know, style it so it look right. Okay, style it so it look right. So y'all, I don't care what your mama said. I don't care what your daddy said. I don't care what your uncle said. This hair is fire, okay? When I say fire, it's fire. What's her name? Did I have this wig already? Kamalia? Girl, you kidding, okay? This is how she's wearing it, but like I said, I didn't brush the curls out because I'm like, let me wear it in a curly state, and when it can't, why is my dog doing that? When I can't do it no more, and then I'll brush it out and make it loose. But I feel like that's not necessary. You don't actually have to actually, you know, take all the curls out. I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna wear it like this until I can't wear it like this no more. If you gonna check it out, let me know. Let me know if you, I was scared. Y'all ain't gonna lie, I was scared. What is that shining up here? It's something in my hair. But anyway, y'all, I love it, okay? I love it. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Nobody can tell me not to wear this color because, baby, go argue with your mama. But yeah, y'all, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I enjoyed installing it, okay? I enjoyed doing my little chit chat. I need some topics and stuff, you know, because, you know, after a while, the little installs gonna get the same. You know, I'm just doing the same thing. So maybe I should start doing more talk throughs and actually have topics to talk about when I'm installing. I don't know. Let me know if y'all interested, or if you like just to see me install it without talking it and doing voiceovers, because I could talk a lot. So yeah, she is fire. She is a 10 out of 10 out. She's a 10 out of 10 in my book. I ain't had no problems with her tangling or, you know, shedding yet, because like I said, I didn't fully detangle because I wanted to wear it in the pretty curls that came in. I wasn't gonna get rid of them yet. So yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed. Until my next video, you'll go see you later. Bye guys.
for nobody.